Welcome to the Mazzum presentation. In this section, I want to show you quickly and give you a quick overview of the social integration which is available in Mazzum. Actually meaning that when you post an idea that you can connect it to one of these social connectors. So Facebook, Twitter, Yammer, or very interesting, used by a lot of companies today in the My Site, the so-called news feed web part, or also as the micro feed available. The settings for the connections of an ID when you post it are managed in the admin section. So this is something that you can enable or disable. We have the social ideation, as you can see, and you can specify on which social media platform an ID will be posted. So you can switch off, turn off the ones you don't want to use or you don't want to let your end users use. But when it's active, let me show you how it works. So I am logged in here with the system account of Mazzum, and I add a new ID to the Mazzum homepage. Let's say Team Spirit as the title of the idea. I give enter just a short description here. I add the picture to this idea that I would like to post. So just let's take here maybe somebody from the team and say okay, add the picture to your ID post, categorize, add a tag, attach a file if needed. Additionally, with more details about this idea, and then categorize it. Let's say this is about social media, and then click on this social connector icon and say you would like as well to post this idea not only to the Mazzum landing page, which you see here, but as well to the My Site newsfeed, so that other people in your organization can jump to your newsfeed and continue there the conversation and the commenting of the idea. So as soon as the system account posts the idea, we see that the ID already exists. So this is a warning. This is a built-in functionality. So let's say Team Spirit new. I try again, and you see the ID is submitted successfully. So what happened? First, the idea will pop up in the landing page. And secondly, when the user goes under his account to the About Me page, now I'm redirected to the My Site, and in the My Site I have this wonderful newsfeed web part, the site feed web part, which can be as a web part as well integrated in any site or site collection or subsite. It pops up. So you see under My Activity, About Me or about the newsfeed here, you see that I have posted in Mazzum an idea. And as you can see, there is the image of the posting. And when another user now has access to your newsfeed, let's say we have a user Paco here, I open it, and Paco as well uses the newsfeed as well a member of the Mazzum site. And when he clicks on everyone, he sees that actually the system account has posted an ID in Mazzum with the title Team Spirit with the image, and Paco can like, unlike, as well start a conversation. He Mazzum, this is great. I will try it out and post or comment. And of course, if I refresh the page here back to the system account, on my newsfeed web part, I see that Paco has just commented, and I can reply to that. There are two options here in this newsfeed web part which might be of interest. One is the so-called the tagging feature. You can tag the profile page, and it will be opened. And the second one is the follow tag. So let me explain you first maybe the hashtag, which is available in the SharePoint. He Paco. So let me enter reply to Paco's comment. Thanks for your feedback. Everything about, and now I add a tag, a hashtag about Mazzum, and you see it's added as a tag Mazzum and another tag SharePoint. was the wrong one. Added as well SharePoint as a tag is available under http mazzum.com. Now you see that three tags, Mazzum, SharePoint, and the URL of the Mazzum site has been added, and I can post that, and it's available in the conversation about the ID Team Spirit, where Paco has replied and where my reply to Paco's command has been added with additional tags. So this will help a lot to find these tags, and these tags actually are then trending tags are then added to this section here. It will populate it. It depends on the synchronization services of the user profile settings and the my site, how it's configured, but the tags are as well added to a separate database, and people can click on the tags, and then you see that each tag is available in the tagging page of the my site, and with the tag all the conversation, all the commands related to these tags are available. Tags are as well searchable. This is also another nice feature in SharePoint in the newsfeed. So when I enter Mazzum, every tag where Mazzum appears will show up here. So you see here in a very nicely way all the conversation and all the feeds which are related to the Mazzum tag. So this helps a lot. Another point and another setting in the newsfeed web part which is very nice is the mention people, the @ sign, and again you just enter here a command saying that, for example, hey Paco, and you don't write Paco of the user, you add the @ sign, and then you say PA, and you see add the suggestions of existing users comes up here. You add this mention people key. Do you have any idea? So this would mean that Paco has been tagged in my conversation, and this would mean that Paco will receive an email that he was mentioned in a conversation. This way as well, he can drone into the conversation and drop into the conversation about Mazzum. So let's post that. So you see, Paco, hey Paco, do you have any idea? And when I go back to Paco's profile page and I refresh here, you see that in Paco's profile page, in his newsfeed web part page, he has been mentioned. So there's one indicating that there is something. He clicks on the mention and he sees that from the conversation that the system account has added, he can now see the conversation. And this helps a lot, of course, to maximize and to extend your ideation management platform with the connection to the newsfeed web part. This as well, let me recap, is possible for Yammer, Twitter, and Facebook, but for a lot of companies which probably will use Yammer and this microfeed, which is similar to Twitter, can be used to have a nice user experience and to attract the people to start in the ideation process and to take part of that. Other two things that you can see here, additional, depending on which tab you are additional commands which are available in your newsfeed web part. That's it. Thank you very much.